Hello, this video covers installing HighByte Intelligence Hub software on a Windows operating system. We'll start with the account login. So software and licenses can be obtained in the account portal. In order to log in, you need to have created a username and password previously, and I've already done that. And after I log in, then I have access to download software and licenses. Now, software is always required, of course, and a license is required if you purchase the software or if you're engaged in a 30-day trial. If you're just using a 2-hour trial, you do not need a license. And software can be downloaded here, and you can install the latest version. Download and install the latest version. And I've already done that. I've downloaded the latest version, and I've unzipped it here, and I have that in my downloads directory. Once you've downloaded the software, you might want to check out the user guide and the installation instructions. When you do that, you'll see that Java runtime is a prerequisite, and that can be downloaded from the Java website. And typically, before I do that, I'd want to check to see if Java is already installed. I can do that with a command. I can see that it's not installed. I'll close my window, and I can download the version that aligns with what's specified in the user guide. And I've already done that. So that's downloaded here. And now I can take that folder that I've already unzipped just to save some time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder named Java in Program Files and paste the Java files in that new folder. What I need to do is edit some environment variables for Java. And I'll have to wait for that to copy to be completed there. It's taking a bit longer than expected. There we go. And I need to edit the path variable. I'll create a new path variable, and I can browse to that folder I just created, Program Files, Java, bin. And I need to move that all the way up to the top of the list. And now when I check, I can see that that is indeed installed, and I'm ready to go. So that prerequisite has been met. I have Java installed, and now I can start to install Intelligence Hub. Now, I've already extracted the files, unzipped the files. I'm going to move that folder into my C drive. And there's just a few edits that we have to make. We typically recommend using the default runtime, configuration, and app data directories, and you'll see those here in a minute. And we make a few edits to the settings file in app data. So a template's provided, and I can edit that. And I just make a few edits. Typically, we use a store and forward directory, and we define that as a relative path in this file, in this format. The other consideration for editing this file is the REST server and MQTT broker settings. I typically edit those in the user interface. So I've made my edits. My configuration file is ready. And next I can install the service. When we run on Windows, we recommend installing a Windows service. And I can see that that's not installed currently. And I can install it with our installer. And I can double check to see if it's installed. and I can see that it's installed and running. So I've installed Intelligence Hub, and now I can use a web browser to access Intelligence Hub. And I can see it's up and running. When you first run Intelligence Hub, the administrative user has no password. I can edit that here if I want to. Also, I might want to activate a license if you're using a license. And to do that, I can just import the license file that I previously downloaded. And now my software is licensed. So that concludes installing Intelligence Hub on a Windows operating system. Thank you very much.